Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? As you are seeing, it's right, soybean. Today our lunch is going to be soybean. So let's hop right in. We will start by first washing the soybean really nicely in warm water. It was soaked in, and then she's like, like crushing them maybe, and then taking out all the water and finally leaving it aside. Then she put a little bit of oil in the pan, then give it a little bit of stir and mix nicely, and then we are going to take it all out. After like just a little bit of frying, not even much, as you saw, just the color little bit, it became more darker. Then we are going to fry our potatoes and take it all out. Add a little bit of more oil, put in our cardamom and cinnamon, then add in our onions and chilies. Mix it all up, let the onions fry, add in the ginger garlic paste, water, and then salt, more salt, turmeric, roasted cumin and coriander powder, and red chili powder. Give it a good stir. Look, it all dissolves so nicely. Add in your tomatoes. Cover it up, let it cook. Then just give it a bit more stir. Let all those things cook together. Make a delicious recipe at the end. A very yummy dish. Add in the potatoes. That finally goes our soybean. This is such a delicious recipe. Like, I love eating soybeans, but I haven't eaten for many days, so I really enjoyed this. Add in a bit more water just for that extra gravy. Give it a good stir. Cover it up. Let it cook like always. And when we'll open it, our dish is ready. So yummy. We're going to end it with some garam masala, and that's all. Deliciousness. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to check the recipe yourself. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Massalam.